Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The Court Administration Division says discussions are ongoing with members of staff in Westmoreland who took industrial action today. The workers staged a sick-out in protest against the poor working conditions brought on by Hurricane Melissa. Kimberly Petty reports.
Persons wanting to conduct business at the Court Administration Office in Westmoreland arrived to a padlocked gate Monday. They were left frustrated as it remains unclear when operations will resume.
Yeah, man, the system is broken and needs fixing. It's not right at all. How it affects the people bad. 4 times I come here, it's always something. They close early, this and that. All I'm trying to do is I paid my ticket in Woodhorn Courthouse months ago, and they have not updated my file. And I just come here just to make them update my file, and they're closed.
How do you feel to know that this is the 4th time you're coming in?
No, sir. It's a waste of my gas, waste of my time, waste of everything.
But the staff have grown impatient as they've been forced to work in less than ideal conditions since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Attorney at law and a former president of the Cornwall Bar Association, Lambert Johnson, while also inconvenienced, says he stands in solidarity with the workers. They've been operating in these containers, which can only accommodate 8 people.
But they have approximately 32 members of staff. The heat, I'm told, is unbearable. There are insects, mosquitoes, flies, and there are rodents. And so they are quite concerned about their well-being, their health, and their welfare.
Mr. Johnson says he has also gotten reports that have left him deeply concerned.
It has come to my attention that there is mold in the building because even since the hurricane, even though they have put tarpaulin on top of the buildings, you can see that the tarpaulins are now disintegrating. And so the building is being further deteriorated with every passing shower of rain. And as an attorney, I'm quite concerned that we see no tangible movement forward as to how this issue will be resolved.
In a statement, Director for Client Services at the Court Administrative Division, Kadish Jarrett Fletcher, acknowledging the challenges, said steps are being taken to restore normal operations as quickly as possible. As a result of Monday's industrial action, she noted that while court sessions continue to be facilitated at the Withorn Outstation, certain administrative operations have been impacted. She's further advised that there may be some delays in the processing of some matters and the delivery of certain administrative services. Additionally, the CAD is undertaking work at the parish court to implement container-based facilities pending a decision from the Ministry of Justice on a permanent home for the parish court. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.